Hello ladies and gentlemen, then here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process in which you can register your own business with Corporate Affairs Commission in less than 5 minutes. Your certificate is going to be ready, status report is going to be ready, and this is super amazing. I'll walk you through everything from the beginning to the ending. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. So to get started, you have to come to CAC new portal, which is icrp.cac.gov.ng. All you have to do when you are here is just to sign up. If you have to sign up, just click on this sign up button and you will be able to sign up. But I have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Now there's some changes that have taken place here. So if you have to sign in, you are going to get an OTP in your particular email. So I'm just going to sign in into my own account, and it's going to prompt me to enter an OTP, which is one-time PIN, which is going to drop into my mail. So it's going to drop anytime soon. All I have to do is just to check it and put it here. Basically, and it's very simple. So it has arrived. Let me just see this. Okay. All right. Let me just press that in. So I'm just going to have to press the OTP. Just have to press the OTP. Then I'm going to submit it. So it's 6 digits. So when you submit it, then you are going to come here. You're going to click on this menu icon. So there's a menu icon here. So let me show you that. There's a menu icon somewhere here. So this menu icon, just tap on it, and you're going to see name reservation. You see this name reservation. So all you have to do is to tap on this name reservation. So when you tap on name reservation, you are going to come here and you are going to see this new reservation. Although if you log into the first time, this is what you're going to see. It will bring you here straight. Just click on new reservation. So let me tell you this: if you are registering, you're registering a business for someone, maybe for a client, please, when you are signing up, use the person's detail to sign up. Please, it's very important. Use the person's details to sign up. Don't use your own detail to sign up, but you can just create an email which you can have access to, so that for the sake of OTP, so you don't need to calling the client for the OTP, but use your client's details. If you are not the owner of that particular business and you're using a public user's account, please use that person's details to do the sign up. Just put only your own email so you can get the OTP. Please take note of that. Otherwise, if you use your own details, you'll be the owner of that business. So now you are here, you are going to select business classification. So I'm registering a business name. I'll tap on business name, and the business name type is a sole proprietor. Then I'm going to click on continue. So now you have to enter the business name, the nature of business category, and the specific nature. I have all this, so it's a live registration, so I'm registering it. So I'm going to just blur this because it's a live registration, but just know that I'm actually doing this for a client and I'm using my accredited agent portal. So I'm just going to come to my client details here. Let me just copy this. I'm going to need this a lot. So the name, you have to put the name. So I'm just going to copy the name that my client sent to me here, and I'm going to paste it. So all this process, you get the registration done in less than maximum maybe 5 minutes if everything is right and if it's not queried. So I'm going to put the business name, then I'm going to put the category of business. So for this business is general merchandise. So I'm just going to look for general merchandise, and I'm going to click on check availability. Now, if the name is available, automatically it's going to continue, and if it's not available, to tell you that it is not available. Now this particular name is available. So if it's not available, it's going to ask you that do you need some suggestion, and which you can pay 200 naira for the suggestion. I think I love this update because it saves us from wasting our 500 naira, stuff like that. So I'm going to click on continue, and I'm going to click on continue to payment, and this is going to load up for me this way. I'm going to tap on remitter to make the payment of 500 naira, but actually I'm paying 661 naira 25 kobo. So I like paying with bank transfer. I'll tap on bank transfer. So you'll not be able to see this. So I'm not going against social media, cyber bullying to say I'm bullying you people for showing you your account number. All right, so I won't show you all this. You won't be able to see all this. So I'm going to send the sum of money into that. So I'm currently going to my bank account here to get that done. Okay, so I'm just going to sign in and go to where I'm going to send money. I'm going to paste the account number and I'm going to select the bank. So for remitter, basically usually cash, I think it's Cash Connect, something of that. So please note that you have to, if you are doing for another account, do not save the account given to you. It's a temporary account. You have to copy the account there. So I'm going to click on confirm, and I'm going to put the amount of money, which is 1.25, and I'm going to click on next. So when I click on next, I'm going to click on confirm to pay. So when I click on confirm to pay, it's going to ask me to put in, put just the same way, you just put in your PIN, and I'm going to make the sum of money. Now, immediately you make the sum of money and it goes, your name will be approved immediately. So you come back here and click on I have sent the money, your name will be approved immediately. And that is super, super amazing. Like before that, it can take 1, 2, 3, 4, even 1 week before the name will be even be pay attention to. But this is going to, you get approved immediately, and I love that. So kudos to CAC for making this possible. So I can see my name is already available. I'll just click on continue to filing. So when I click on continue to filing, it's going to load up for me, which I can put in, basically these 3 details, which is company information, proprietor information, and document upload. So this is loading. But one thing I noticed is that if it's loading and it's taking too long, just come back to registration, and then you will see the name we just reserved now. You click on action and you click on continue application, and this is just going to load faster. I just noticed that, and maybe by the time you're watching this video, it might have loaded faster, but this time of me creating this video, it takes a while to load. So now I'm going to put in the complaint email. So I'm going to come back to where I get my details from, which my client gets sent to me, and I'm going to copy the complaint email, which is a complaint email. So this is it here. I'm just going to copy that. So I'm going to paste the complaint email into the space for complaint email. Then the complaint states of residence. So I'm going to just come to what my client sent to me here, which is okay. This is where I won't be saying it out because it's actually a live registration, and I have to protect the privacy of my clients. That is very, very important. So I'm going to put the state, then the complaint city. The complaint city, which is, so I have to go and get where the complaint city is. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and put that in. So put the complete setting in the complete setting space, and then I'm going to put the complaint street number. So most time, if your client does not give you street number, just put number number 1. That's what I do put most time. I just put number 1. If my client say does not have number, so but this my client here has number, so I'm going to put the number that it gave to me. Here is number 20, and I'm going to put the street. I'm going to put in the street here, and so I'm going to type in the street as my client gave it to me, and the commencement date. Just put the day you're registering as the commencement day. I like putting the day I'm registering that business commencement date. Don't put the day you start your business, otherwise you are going to pay. PS is going to query you and you're going to pay, and I bet you end up forsaking, especially if you put like years or 2 years, you end up forsaking the whole registration. So just put the year you're doing the registration as your commencement date, then click on save and continue. Now the next detail I'm going to put is the proprietor surname, the donor surname, his first name, other name, phone number. You put the gender, select the date of birth, the state, local government, the proprietor city, the street number, and the service address. So these are the things I'm going to put here. So I'm going to just go to my client, what I sent to me, and I'm going to input everything there. So as I showed you earlier, I'm actually doing this, and I'm going to blur it out because it's actually a private information. So I'm putting in the surname here. After the surname, I'm going to put in the proprietor first name as my client sent it to me, just word to word. I'm not changing anything there. So I'm just doing copy and paste. I'm copying and pasting it. Then the other name. So this is the other name. I'm just going to copy the other name and actually paste the other name here as applied. Then the the phone number, that's the next details I have to put in. The phone number, I'm going to copy the phone number here, and I'm going to just paste it. I'm just going to paste it, and then the gender. So then I'm going to put in the date of birth. I'm going to put it here. Okay, 1984. So I said that so that I can be able to remember. If I did not say that, I won't be able to remember it. So I'm actually doing this. Please, if you are getting value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video with your friends and family. So 1984. Okay. Okay, 28th. So I won't say the months. Okay. All right, so I've gotten my details. Then the proprietor state, I'm going to put in the proprietor state, the proprietor local government. So I'm just going to get this in. The city, I'm going to come back to all the details sent to me by my client. So the city, I'm going to copy the city and actually paste it here. Then the street number, I'm going to put in the street number and the proprietor service address. So I'm going to come here and put the proprietor service address, which is this. I'll copy that and I'm going to just paste it. And it's very easy, guys. You can do this yourself. It's very easy. Paste it, and I'm going to click on add proprietor. Then I'm going to click on continue, save and continue, and this is going to take me to the last place here. In this last place here, all I have to do is to click on the proprietor. I'm going to select the proprietor I've added, and I'm going to actually upload the proprietor NIN card or NIN slip. One thing I noticed that is actually the slip that do go, and also one other thing I also noticed that the picture must be very, very clear. It is very important. The picture is very clear, so you can actually download the NIN slips. How to do that. You can download it and you are good to go. If you need to get the NIN slip clear one, you can just message me. I can help you get that at a very affordable rate. So I'm going to just upload the NIN of the proprietor, the slip or the card. So as I told you earlier, most time is the card that goes. So probably by the time I'm watching on this video, the slip, most time it's the slip that goes. And by the time I'm watching this video, then the card will be going. Then I'm going to upload the proprietor passport, which is going to be his photo, not national passport, just like photo passport that you go to cafe to snap. So I'm just going to put that in. I have that here, so I'm going to save it. Okay, I'm not actually saving it on my phone. That's what I mean by saving it. So okay, let me just quickly do that, and I'm going to upload it. So then I also need the signature. So I'm going to just quickly save the signature. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and family. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. So now I want to upload the passport. It's just a picture. You can just snap your face basically and just upload it. So I'm going to select it, then the passport, the signature, the same thing. I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on add proprietor document. Then I'm going to click on save and continue. So the moment I click on save and continue, this is going to just save, and it's going to take me to the preview. I can actually preview everything that I've sent. And I'm going to click on submit and proceed to payment. So immediately I click on that, this is going to take me to where I can make payments, which is 10,000 naira. Currently it's 10,000 naira. So by the time you're watching this video, it might have changed, but currently it's 10,000 naira. Then with the bank charges, I'm going to pay 10,161.25. Alright, so I'm just going to copy the account number and I'm going to go to my bank and I'm going to make the payment. So you're going to go to your bank and make that payment. So let me I'm currently logging into my own bank account. So if you have a bank account ready for you, good for you. So I'm going to paste the account number and I'm going to select the bank. So I'm going to select the bank. Then when the bank has successfully selected, it's going to show the bank and the account name is going to be remitter checkout. I'll click on next. I'm going to confirm it. Then I'm going to put the account number. I'm going to put the exact amount which I see here, which is 10,161.25. 10,161.25. I told you earlier it might change. So by the time you got this video, it might have changed. But the whole process is still the same thing. So I'm going to make payment and I'm going to click on confirm to pay. The minute I click on confirm to pay, I have to come back to my registration here and I click on I have sent the money. So guys, don't forget that if you like this video, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like this video, just drop a comment. Your comment means a lot to me, guys. So now that I've done that, it's going to tell you that you are submitting your application, and this is going to be done in less than a few minutes. If your application is not queried, then if it is queried, answer that query and you are going to be able to get your application, your certificate, your status report done. So you can see now I've submitted it and it's still writing pending. So sometimes it's going to write pending, and what you just know, they're going to send you a mail. If it goes, you get a mail they will send your certificate and status report to your email, and you can also download it straight from your portal. It's very, very easy like that. As you can see, it has been approved. So this particular name which I just registered now has been successfully approved in just few minutes, in less than 2 or 3 minutes. So all I have to do is just to download. I'm going to download the certificate. I'm also going to download the okay, before I download the certificate, sorry, you need to actually click on view and okay, let me show you this. Click on view and generate thing. So your certificate is going to carry a thing. So when you tap on that, just click on download certificate, and the certificate is going to be downloaded with the thing, with the pre-thing. Actually, it's not the actual thing, it's the pre-thing that is going to be attached to it. And after doing that, you also download your status report. All right, guys, so I'm Dana Deoboy, and this is how you can register your business name all by yourself from the comfort of your house. Please like this video, share this with your friends and family. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye for now.